I am Smart Hopewell and welcome to a Prayer Pixel tutorial. So in this tutorial, this is a video specifically for helping people who are Twitch streamers. I also have clients that I work with who are Twitch streamers, so I wanted to do a quick video to give you an understanding of actually how to change your category on Twitch and Streamlabs. Let's get into it. So here we are on the twitch.tv website. As you guys can see here, I'm on the home page, and this is going to be really quick and simple, but I recommend you do this if you didn't know how to do it. This is how in 2018, because I've noticed that a lot of the videos on YouTube right now don't necessarily cover this as quickly. So you're going to go ahead to the top right here and scroll down to dashboard. So you're going to click on that, and that's going to open the dashboard page, which has all the sort of back end, if you like it, or like your what would be the equivalent of Streamlabs but within Twitch in your web browser. So this is it, and the information you're looking for is on the left hand panel right here, which is your stream title, your go live notification, custom message, your game category, and also the communities. So the game category, and I always talk to people about this all the time, is information is power. So the most important thing that you want to do is have done a little research and looked at which games best fit you as a content creator, and also look at who is already in those, who's streaming on those games, obviously. So, and the quickest way to do that is by clicking browse. But hold on, before you click that, let's finish with this. So say you want to put in, I've got Fortnite in there, for example. You just begin to type the first 3 letters and it will bring up every game within Twitch's listing category of games that have those first 3 letters. And obviously Fortnite is at the top, being that it has the most amount of viewers right now, which is, 66,000 plus. So you would just click that and immediately it's right there. But before you finish, there's also communities. Now communities are the equivalent of what stream teams were, and if you don't know what a stream team is or was, in the old context of Twitch, is stream teams were originally groups of people who were individual streamers who came together under a brand, like a self-branded group of people who have given themselves a name, and normally there's a lot of hard work and promotion and organization and events that go along with these stream teams, and they still do for those of them that are successful. However, if you're a new content creator on Twitch, it is a hard thing to do. So the reason why you want to use a community is because it's like having a stream team but with a totally open door policy, and you're able to find one that just by typing in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the ones that I have right now, and I'm going to say maybe I make music, which I do. So right here you can see the music community, and it even gives you a description on the right, so you have the opportunity to read about this community and decide for yourself, is this a community that I want to align myself with for this specific stream or multiple streams in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and you have the option to choose 3 more. So we're going to go ahead and I'll put art. So arts, there we have it, and then I go ahead and put maybe sport. So I can choose the one that has the most amount of viewers either streaming on it or watching. If there's 2 people streaming, so obviously there's 34 people watching those 2 streamers, so I'll choose that. And obviously you can restrict chat language, which is based on what you've already pre-selected in the other area of your Twitch dashboard. So we're going to go ahead and update. Also, you can change language if you speak a different language, French, Espanol, Spanish, etc., etc. So that's how you change your category on Twitch using the dashboard. So next we're going to look at how to do the same thing on OBS, Streamlabs OBS, mind you. So this is really quick and easy to do. What you want to do is open up Streamlabs. What you do is click on the dashboard, which will bring you to right here where we're looking at now, which gives you an overview of everything to do with your stream, so your growth, subscribers, followers, all of that jazz. But there is a little panel or a little arrow here on the right that you want to click, which opens this box right here. So I'm going to move this over slightly so you can see the chat. and basically what you want to do is click on the little pencil that's right here. So you click on that and it brings open this panel here, and this is how you can change the game that you're playing in Streamlabs OBS. So you just begin to type Fortnite and it obviously will bring up Fortnite, so you click on that, and each game according to Streamlabs has a preset encoding or settings that work well for people who want to stream Streamlabs. So you can go ahead and tick that if that works for you, and then you can choose if you want it to be medium or low. I would probably choose low because I don't have an amazing PC, and then confirm and go live, and what will happen is you will literally go live straight away, which really isn't what I wanted to do at all. But anyway, that's this tutorial, so hopefully that's been helpful. If it has, definitely like this video and leave a comment if you have any more questions to do with dashboard settings, etc. And maybe I'll try and put the video together to help you guys. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. God bless. Peace.